near where you live? Oh, weird. Person just ran through their stop sign.
And you want me to see the what now? The Goombas? The Goombas. Oh! Oh. Are they okay?
Who's freaking out? What happened? Probably turned on red, huh?
The gray car. Where? Hang on. We're good.
If you got a name, Moo's name, what would you name Moo?
What?
Oh.
Did I get that?
Got what?
I got that on video, bro.
What on video?
That car.
There was a car house.
Hey, bro. I got a dash cam. I got part of it, man.
You got it?
Yeah.
Man, I appreciate
Do you wanna?
You saw what he did.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, he took it, bro. I got it right here, dog.
What the frick? And they're still speeding.
To $166 million, a 22% decline from the $214 million recorded the previous year. Earnings collapsed even more dramatically.
Current loop video is now locked.
To just $10 million. That is a 75% plunge, driven by weak table hold percentages and the absence of major events like the Super Bowl that had boosted 2020.
Mini ones I could have in my backpack, so when you pick me up, I could just,
No, because it would be gone within a day. Oh!
Video protected.
It's okay. Big breath. They're fine. They're fine. They're fine. They're fine. You're okay.
Connected.
Oh! That's on camera.
Hung close and bright, places she had never visited, names she only had seen on star maps. Krenna was far out into the fuzzy boundaries where the Odiran Empire petered out and the Hanseatic League had barely expanded. The system was a set of coordinates.
Saw this weekend I thought was very encouraging. Now, from watching on TV, it might have looked a little bit different, but from my perspective, Frank, as I kind of wrap up my opening monologue and we kind of discuss what happened.
No big deal because you have like 1,000 members, 1,000 guests. So just because you go to Bohemian Road, it's like going to a P. Diddy party doesn't mean you're P. Diddy. So
I know a lot less fun than a P. Diddy party. I heard it's like a
where we have the music on Main Street, downtown, where it's all built. It's named that it's built. And it's got his memorial thing on him.
So Harold doesn't look too big. He's not.